All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
Hi everyone, I hope you are well and having a really lovely day today. As always, today I'm coming at you with a video that I've never done on my channel before, so I'm really excited about it. And I'm going to be sharing with you what I've bought from Shein. Now, Shein is a website where they basically sell things for extremely affordable prices, and I was scrolling on the website whilst in quarantine thinking, do you know what? I'm going to treat myself to some stuff, so that is exactly what I've done. What I have today is roughly worth about £100, so that is how much I spent. I know, got a bit out of hand, but I have got a lot of pieces here, so I'm really excited to share them with you. Before I begin, I would just like to say a lot of these items are underwear, simply because I was feeling really down and I feel like buying yourself new nice underwear just makes you feel really good. I will show you the bras and things, but the pants just match and I feel like it's just going to be quite boring, so I'll show you all the bras I bought, but I also got a playsuit, a bodysuit, and then some other tops and stuff as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm going to jump right in because this is going to be a long one. So I'm going to go through everything that I bought that's not bras and underwear first, and then I'll do all of that last, just so there's some sort of order. Because a lot of these items are tie-up t-shirts, it's going to be very hard for me to show you what they look like, but I am going to do my absolute best at describing it for you. So the first one is this orange top. Now, it doesn't look like a top at all, it's literally the smallest piece of material, but I thought in the summer with some high-waist black jeans and trainers on like a night out or something would look really nice. But basically it's a tie up around the neck situation, and then you sort of follow it down the back, so it's got kind of a tie up back, if that makes sense, and then the material is for the front half. It does look like it's going to be a very good size. It seems like it will fit, I hope, anyway, and yeah, it's just a lovely colour. I will say obviously the material does feel very thin. It is basically see-through, but you probably can't see on camera too much. However, this will just be really nice for the summer when it's really hot, or if we get to go on any holidays this year, which I'm really hoping we do, this will be a lovely thing to wear with some shorts or something. So I just popped that in my basket. I believe it was literally maybe like £3.99 or something, so really inexpensive. So if it doesn't really work out, it's not the end of the world. So yeah, I got that and I'm really excited to give that a try, and I love the colour, it's so nice. The next item is something which I don't have anything similar in my wardrobe, and I just thought it would look really cute. So it's basically this vest crop top. It's snakeskin, snakeskin, it's grey. It's a really nice soft thin material, kind of feels like a thin I can't talk today, a thin swimming costume sort of material, so really nice and soft. However, it has got these sort of strings at the bottom which you kind of cross over and tie around your stomach and waist. It looked so nice on the website. Obviously I would probably wear this with jeans on a night out or something. I wouldn't really wear this in the daytime personally, it's not kind of my daytime style. However, yeah, I just thought this would be really nice, something really different as well. I don't have a lot of going out tops, so that was kind of my thought process when ordering a lot of these, is kind of night out wear. So yeah, I got this, and again, I think it was somewhere around the £5 mark, so inexpensive. And yeah, we'll see what these are like. I'm not too sure on the pattern, it's something I've never tried, so let me know what you think in the comments if you like it or not. I will definitely be posting photos of all of these items on my Instagram, so go and follow me on Instagram. I post so much over there, I post on my stories a lot, and I post new photos basically every day, every other day, something like that. So yeah, if you want to see what any of these look like, let me know and I'll put some photos on my Instagram for you. The next item is again another tie-up top, and this one is a black v-neck kind of crop top. I thought this would look so nice with maybe some light blue jeans and a denim jacket like in the summer. Again, it's got the tie-up back. I don't know how well you're going to see this on the camera, but it has got a kind of crisscross tie-up back design with some extra string at the bottom, so you can tie it around your waist. You can have really big bow at the back. You can kind of customise it to how you want to wear it, but I really like the look of this. This one kind of feels like a work trouser material. It's really sort of thin, and it is really nice. I do really like it, but it is that sort of work trouser material. But yeah, really lovely again, and very inexpensive again. I think it's probably about £5, so super cheap, and hopefully it'll fit, fingers crossed. The next item is a bodysuit. Now bear in mind I'm going to wear this with high-waisted black jeans and some trainers. Again, it's definitely a night out outfit. I would not wear this in the daytime. Personally, I mean, some people might. It might be your sort of everyday style, but for me, it's absolutely not. And it kind of looks really weird when I hold it up, but on it's really, really nice. So it's basically this black bodysuit, so it goes all the way down. However, the whole entire back of it is literally crisscross kind of pieces of material. I'm really liking the open back kind of design on all of these. I really, really like it. I think it's really flattering. However, yeah, it just looks absolutely stunning on. I have tried it on. It fits so nicely. The material is so soft as well. It's not really see-through, like, unless I pull it, you can kind of see through it. It's not too see-through at all. It's just really soft and really well made, and I just think this looks really nice with jeans. And I think for, I think it was maybe £8, like, it's just so affordable. It's sort of on par with kind of Primark pricing, and the quality is very much similar. So again, if you're into kind of nice bodysuits, they've got so many on the website, it's unreal. I could spend hours on that website and spend all of my money on that website. The next item is a playsuit. And the reason I bought this is because I have a dress in a very similar pattern and a very similar neckline, and I love that dress so much. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get this playsuit because it looks absolutely adorable. So it's basically this really lovely kind of leaf print. It's got a kind of cutout in the front, so really flattering. It also has a massive cutout in the back as well. It's short sleeved and it's just got some shorts at the bottom. Now I would personally wear this either on holiday, or I would belt it on a night out with some really cute little shoes and maybe a denim jacket or something. I don't know, I just really love the high neckline. I think it's so flattering. It's something that I would never have worn a few years ago. Like, I don't like things getting too close to my throat. It really just like makes me feel weird, but for some reason this just looks stunning, and it's so worth feeling claustrophobic for. So absolutely love it. It's very thin again. It's kind of, the material's not that bad. I think this was around, I want to say this was probably around £14–15, so it's kind of like a new looky kind of material. It's thin, so it's great for summer, but it doesn't feel cheap and it doesn't feel horrible. But I absolutely love this. I think this is stunning. Such a nice piece for summer, and again, I probably would belt it because I'm not really into kind of like belting it with these. I just think it looks a bit gross, so I'd probably do this in a knot and then put a black chunkier belt over the top. But yeah, absolutely love that. Really excited to wear it, and I love the pattern and I love the colours. I think the pink and the green just look really nice, so really impressed with that one. So the next item again is another crop top. This one is a black crop top with a kind of ribbed texture on it. It's so nice. It's got a really beautiful, again, open crisscross back to it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it's got a lovely crisscross back to it with loads of extra string, so you can tie it around your waist, or you can kind of do with it what you want, like I said before. Again, this was no more than £5. It's not see-through. It's got a feel similar to Primark sort of material, so it's not super cheap, but it's not like luxury feeling either. It's a nice in between, and again, for £5 it's just an absolute bargain. And I just got this mainly for, again, a really casual night out with some black jeans, or you could definitely wear this in summer with some shorts or something. I don't know, I just really like it, and it's just something a little bit different as opposed to like a normal plain crop top. It's just got something a little bit more to it, and that's why I really like that one. So yeah, got that one as well. Really excited to wear it. So that is everything I bought that's clothes. Now moving on to all of the bras and the bodysuits and the more luxurious items that I've bought. I've bought quite a few, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't realise how many I bought, but I'm gonna go through them anyway. And again, these are all in a size medium, so if you're very similar to me in terms of body size and things like that, then this would fit. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna jump right in and go through these because I've got a lot to share with you, and I'm not too sure on prices. I believe they were all around either £4.99 or £8.99, so really inexpensive, and they all came with matching bottoms, so yeah, just to let you guys know. So the first item is this one. Now, it's probably going to be really hard to show you on camera, but this is a really lovely bralette style top. It's super lovely. It's basically a spotty netting. I don't know if you guys can see. I find the back really interesting as well, the way they kind of clip together. However, these do come undone really easily. That's the only thing I have with this, is that they always pop undone, like if you're moving your back about. But it's so pretty. It's so lovely. Again, this is medium size. I would say this probably is a little bit big on the kind of like around me, if that makes sense, but the boob section fits perfectly, so it is a kind of win some you lose some kind of situation. But yeah, absolutely love this. The only thing I have with this is that already I have worn this once and already there is a hole in it, which is really annoying. But to be honest with you, I find that with the more affordable bras and things, they aren't going to last you very long, and if I really like the style of this and the fit of it, I'd probably buy something a bit more expensive in the future anyway. So yeah, it was more just to try the style. I really like it, it's really flattering, so yeah, definitely a thumbs up from me with this one. So the next bra that I've got is this black one. Again, it's got the underwiring on the bottom, it's lace, it's super pretty. The back's really fun as well. It's basically got 2 clips on the back, so it kind of goes around your back like that. I just really like it. I think it's really lovely, it's really flattering. It's got some beautiful lace detailing on the side panels as well, so it's really nice. Again, comes with matching bottoms. Not really much else to say about it, to be honest. Like, you can see what it looks like. It's black, it's frilly, and it's comfortable, so what else more could you want, you know what I mean? So love that. The next item is a bodysuit, and I'm not gonna lie, on the website it did not look see-through. I was gonna wear it as a normal bodysuit with jeans, but I definitely cannot wear this as a normal bodysuit with jeans because everybody would see every part of me. So I don't really know when I'm gonna wear this now. However, it is really pretty, and it's always good to have something like this in your wardrobe, I feel. So it's basically this lovely floral and black lace bodysuit, but it is completely see-through, so that's the only annoying thing. It didn't look see-through, but it's really pretty. It's got some blue and red and white and pink flowers on it. It's got a lovely kind of open back design, very similar to a swimsuit design. It's kind of what it looks like. But yeah, absolutely love this. Fits really nice, and it is really flattering. It's just not see-through, which is what I thought it was going to be. But again, it was only about £6 or something, so really inexpensive, so it's not really much of an issue. I think that's what you kind of have to go in with an open mind when you buy on websites like this, because obviously it is all sort of cheaper. The next one I absolutely love, and it is this one. This is a really beautiful design, very similar to the bodysuit. It's sort of sheer, it's got flowers on it, it's black. I just really like it. I think it's stunning. It's so flattering. It's more of a comfy style, like very similar to the Calvin Klein style with the thick band at the bottom. But yeah, again, really lovely. Sizing's really good. And yeah, not really much more to say about this one. It's just really nice, and again, it's just good to have some nicer pieces in your wardrobe, you know? The next item is another one of those items which I thought wasn't going to be see-through, and I thought would look really cute with jeans and a denim jacket or something. However, I'm not going to wear this out of the house because it is see-through again, and it is this one. So this is so super nice. It's a really lovely kind of lace, and I don't even know what this kind of design is, but it's so pretty and really flattering, and it's just a really lovely bralette. The back of it's really nice as well, as it's mesh, so it's really comfortable. The sizing is really good as well, and yeah, 10 out of 10. Absolutely love this, just wish it wasn't see-through. So the next item is this one. It's very similar to the bodysuit that I showed a second ago. It's got the flowers. Again, I didn't think it was going to be see-through. Seems to be a running theme in this video, but it's really nice. It's really stretchy, so it's really comfortable. It's long, is it called long line? Is that what it's called? Like, it goes down quite far, so it sits really nicely on as well. Super comfortable, and yeah, I just really love this one. Again, I love the design on it. I think it's really pretty, and it comes with matching bottoms, so really love that. And last but not least, it's probably my least favourite, simply because the sizing just doesn't, I don't know, it just doesn't look right. Like, it doesn't look as big as the others, and it's this one. Let me show you. So it's this one. It just looks really small. I don't know. I don't know if it's the design or what. I have no idea. It is really pretty, don't get me wrong. I love the triangle style. I always have things like this. I just really find them comfortable. However, it is just a very small size, so yeah, I'm just unsure about this one. It is nice, and I'll still wear it like under jumpers and stuff, but it's definitely not a nice kind of bra set because it's just a bit small. So yeah, I do like it, just my least favourite. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. Obviously give it a thumbs up if you did. It allows me to make more videos like this, especially if you like hauls and things. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Like I said, I'll be posting a lot of photos of the things I've bought on there so you guys can see how they fit and everything like that. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers this year. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!